cannibals and serial killers in caveman suits and gave them weapons. Sometimes I think either the world's gone nuts or I have. Who knows? Maybe I'm not really stomping through the bush all day and barbecuing meat over campfires. Maybe I'm just sitting in a padded cell eating soup day after day. What if I'm not crazy? Man, if only Ada were here. She must have an idea.
Good evening, Ada. At the appointed time, the Lord shall return.
What are you doing here?
Ada, the new recruits will be arriving tomorrow. Those three must be gone before they arrive. I don't care how you do it, just as long as it gets done. Don't fail us.
Anthony, wake up.
Oh, Ada. I thought you'd never ask.
We have to get out of here.
I don't know, baby. This is all happening so fast.
No time for romance. I'll explain later. We have to go. You wake Stina and Bella, and we'll meet down by the water, okay?
You've washed up on the shore of an uncharted island. Explore the area and try to find Stina and Bella.
Okay. What the hell kind of animal is that?
Fight now! Talk later, please!
Man, that was tight. Where the hell did he pop up from?
You must destroy the nest before more of them come!
Okay, me first.
That was very brave. Thank you for your help.
Ain't no thing, bro. What kind of monster was that anyways?
Later, my village is under attack. I must go.
Go! Close the gates! Stop them! Let no one escape!
Man, doesn't the fighting ever end around here? Next job, rock and roll! Me first.
You fought well. I thank you for your help, warrior.
My pleasure, bro. Just one thing, though. My peeps have kind of disappeared, you know, and I gotta find them.
Then you should follow those who attacked us. Time and again they kidnap my warriors. Perhaps they're holding your companions captive as well.
Agreed. I shall go forth and free your brothers and sisters, and hopefully find my friends.
What?
The warriors have agreed to join you. They will help you find Stina and Bella if you help them against their enemies.
What? Let's go. What? What? Okay, you mama's boys! Move it!
Yo, they're the dudes that kidnapped your friends.
If we attack from here, they will see us right away.
Then I guess we better find a way to hit them from behind.
Let's go. Okay, you mama's boys! Move it! Okay, you mama's boys! Move it! On my way!
Yo, baby, this thing might just prove to be very useful.
By all the gods, I can feel the power coursing through me!
Looks like that thing has truly got the power.
On my way!
Hey, this is the perfect spot. They'll never expect an attack from this side.
Let's go. Okay, you mama's boys! Move it! What? Attack!
Help us, please! Get the barbarians off of us!
On my way!
You saved our lives. We are in your debt.
Well, that's a word, bro, because I could really use some help taking down the barbarians, know what I mean?
Let's go! On my way! On my way! On my way!
You okay?
Not really. There's a sweet little Usmillis down here, and a whole big pack of nasty, hungry Smilodons.
Need any help?
The spearmen should be enough.
Stina is going to have to complete this assignment with just her spearmen to help her. Cole can't get to her in time. At level 2, Stina receives a new skill, which gives spearmen in her vicinity an armor bonus.
Yo, isn't that another load of those Smilodons?
Sure is. I'll just stop them before they can do any more damage.
Don't forget the nest.
Ready. Okay, you mama's boys! Move it!
Yeah?
What's up? What's up? What's up? Yes. Striking argument.
Yeah?
Sure thing. Get them. Yes. Attack! What's up?
I'm impressed, girl. You sure did kick some butt on them cats.
You just have to know their weak spots.
Oh, what's up with this little dude here?
Now that's my weak spot. He's staying with me. I'm in. Sure.
Okay, you mama's boys! Move it! Let's go!
Where is the North Star? Where's the bloody North Star? Either there isn't one here, or there are two of them. Where the bloody hell am I?
Ladies first. Oh,
Keep your hands to yourself, pencilhead.
hey, okay. Did you see anything?
Some cages full of captive Norsemen. And Bella.
Then let's bust him out.
Now is my chance. Come on. Yes!
Bella is on his own, as Cole and Stina are unable to open or destroy the gate. Try to free the other prisoners. Avoid direct contact with the enemy, at least until you have some of the troops under your command.
Smart choice. Splendid decision. Smart choice.
Thank you for freeing us. What should we do now?
Together we shall teach these barbarians a lesson they'll never forget. Ready your bows!
Bella's level 2 skills are extremely helpful. They enable all archers in his vicinity to shoot 10 meters further. This lets them take out the guards from a safe distance.
Arrows ready. Open fire!
The prisoners have escaped! Kill them!
Always ready.
Get ready.
Let us fight.
Ready. Ready. I'm going. Right away.
An attack! How did they get in here?
I have an idea. More than precise. Good idea. A direct hit.
We're under attack! To arms! To arms!
I have an idea.
Who's causing trouble? Open fire! Arrows ready!
You're safe for now. Wait here until we've taken out all the barbarians.
There are still a number of enemy units in the area. You will have to take them out before the workers will join you.
Those are prisoners! And they're armed!
Right away! Open fire!
Ready, steady. It would seem that we now have this camp firmly in hand. Very well, it's time. You may come out now. Everything is under control. We made it! We actually made it!
Luckily, yes. At least we're all back together again.
Before we do anything else, we should scout the rest of the island.
Watch out for the barbarians. This is a large tribe, and you only defeated a few of them up until now.
Then I guess we had best be careful.
You should start building up a powerful army. At the same time, you should continue to explore the island. You should also be prepared for enemy attack.
Yeah?
I'm listening.
Yeah? Yeah?
What are you up to? Good idea.
Let us fight. Run!
Okay?
Yeah?
Gates can represent a weak point during combat and should be protected accordingly, by bunkers, for example. The gate is closed at the moment. To open it, you have to switch it to either automatic or open. However, open means that enemy units can also enter through the gate.
Worker is ready for duty. What's up? Got some work for me? Yeah? Got some work for me? Yeah? Ready! One shot, one hit!
Okay?
What's up? Move it!
Arrows ready!
What are you up to? I'll find the way.
I'm listening. Over there?
Who's causing trouble? Got some work for me? What's up? Got some work for me?
What are you up to? Smart choice. Splendid decision. I'll do it. Good idea. I'll do it. Good idea.
We can now usher in a new epoch! Arrows ready! Open fire!
Next assignment? Splendid decision. Good idea. Good idea.
Epoch 2 achieved!
Well thought. Good idea.
Got some work for me? Got some work for me?
The color of the ghost image indicates whether or not a building can be built on a particular site. If the image is green, the building site can be used. If it turns red, you have to either find another site or rotate the building. Plants, brush, or ruins have no effect on construction as they are automatically removed.
Well, that's a start.
Yeah? Take them down!
Who's causing trouble?
Arrows ready! Aim for the heart! What's up? Arrows ready!
Let us fight. Sure.
Yeah?
I'm listening. Run them through!
Yeah?
I'm listening. Over there?
Yeah?
Warrior, ready for duty! Warrior, ready for duty! Ready. Warrior, ready for duty! Ready. Ready. On my way!
Yeah?
Ready.
What's up?
Next assignment? Well thought.
What's up?
I'll fight at your side. Warrior, ready for duty!
A fishing boat lets you catch fish as an additional source of food supply. In order to do this, you have to send the fishing boat to a spot in the ocean where there is a swarm of fish.
Go. Move it!
What's up?
I'm in. Wanna play? What's up? Take them down!
Chariot ready! Hello?
What? Ready. Okay, you mama's boys! Move it!
Hello? Chariot ready! What? Arrows ready! What? Yup!
Ready, steady. Smart choice.
Yeah? Ready? Sure.
Always ready.
When a hero reaches level 3, they receive a new special skill, which can be performed using the action menu. From level 3 onwards, Stina can hypnotize animals and mounted units. To use this skill, click the appropriate symbol in Stina's action menu, and then left-click an enemy unit. The unit then lies down for a short period of time, and remains lying down even if attacked. From level 3 onwards, Bella can take a sniper shot, which causes immense damage to a single enemy. To use this skill, click the appropriate symbol in Bella's action menu, and then left-click the target. From level 3 onwards, Cole can use his shotgun, causing a great deal of damage to all enemies within range. To take a shot, click the appropriate symbol in Cole's action menu, and then left-click the enemy unit you want to use as the main target.
A direct hit.
I want to fight! Don't let them escape!
Let us fight. Get them!
The fishing boat is finished! What now?
Are we going?
Yes, please.
The fishing boat is
hit.
finished! What's up? The fishing boat is finished! What now? What's up?
About time. Away we go!
What's up?
About time. Right through the middle. Let us fight.
Now that's what I call kicking some butt.
Yes, of course.
Sure.
But with so little resistance, I suspect this was only a small outpost.
About time.
Titans are the most powerful combat units in the game, outside of the heroes. Bases can have more than one entrance. If the main gate is protected by towers, as is here the case, then it is a good idea to look for a back gate.
About time. Away we go!
What's up? Sure.
Yeah? What's up? What's up? Yeah?
Next assignment? I'll find the way.
We can now usher in a new epoch!
What's up?
Yes, please? Well thought. Smart choice. More than precise. Next assignment? Quiet.
Epoch 3 achieved! Tick-tock!
What's up? Run!
What's up?
What's up? Let us fight.
Got some work for me?
What a blast! On my way!
The stars show me the way. I have an idea.
I'll do it!
Smart choice. I have an idea. Smart choice. Can do.
Next job. Me first.
Wild boar ready.
What's up?
Wild boar ready.
Move! On my way. Move! On my way.
Got some work for me?
Wild boar reporting. Move it.
I'll fight at your side. Warrior, ready for duty.
What's up? My lance will lead us to victory.
I'll fight at your side.
My lance will lead us to victory. Let us fight.
Yeah? Got some work for me? Yeah? On my way.
Move it. Sleep well. I'm in. Forwards. Move it.
Man, this place would be perfect for a Halloween party.
All that's missing are the candies and the little presents.
I'm certain we can do something about that. Look,
On my way.
the crate over there.
Yes. Yup.
Next job. On my way. Come. Me first.
Yes, please? Smart choice.
Yes. Let's go.
Yeah? On my way. Why not? Sure thing. Sure thing. Got some work for me?
What's up? Land shouldered? Forward!
Yes, please? I'll find the way.
I'm in. Let's go.
About time! Yee-haw!
Yes.
Next assignment?
Hello?
Warrior, ready for duty!
The engineer can now make ramps.
Them.
What do you want?
These are very effective against walls, buildings, and towers.
What? This is for you! Warrior, ready for duty!
Ready! Attack formation!
I'll fight your side!
Next assignment?
Let us fight. Get him. Let us fight.
Ready, steady.
Let us fight.
I want to fight. Surprise!
I'm in.
Ready? Open fire!
What are you up to?
Ready. Okay, you mama's boys, move it!
What's up? Run!
What? Finally!
Ready to move. Division 2 is already full.
Pikemen ready for duty!
I'm in.
I'll fight at your side.
Ready? Open fire!
Side. Yes. Warrior, ready for duty! Warrior, there's no more room in the 2nd Division! I'll fight. Always ready.
Wild boar ready!
I'll fight at your side. I'll fight at your side.
Hi-ho, wild boar!
Now, if we could only figure out where on Earth we are.
We're not on planet Earth. This is not our world.
How do you figure that?
I've spent my whole life gazing at the stars, but I've never seen those constellations before.
Okay, guys, what exactly can we conclude about this world?
Other than the fact that the prehistoric animals have not died out here?
I wouldn't call them prehistoric. Not anymore.
What are you two driving at?
Maybe the dinosaurs never existed in earlier times, you know? Maybe they live here, simple as that.
And the skeletal remains?
Are from animals that somehow managed to make it into our world.
And just how the hell do you think that happened?
The exact same way that we got here.
Man, that all sounds a little weird, you know?
Over the last few days, I have learned to accept quite a few weird things. Like, did any of you see a single flash of lightning during that storm? Huh? Well, you know, I asked the Norsemen, and they don't even know what lightning is.
So the question would seem to be, just how did we get here?
There is a wise druid, the guardian of our legends, who lives on an island not far from here. If anyone can help you, it is he. You should go see him.